In this video, I will show you how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're gonna do is to go to youtube.com, and as you can see, I have the premium subscription right here. The way to know if you're paying for the subscription is that the logo won't say YouTube, but it will actually say premium. After you are in YouTube, go ahead and select your profile picture that you're gonna see right here on the right, and you're gonna click on purchases and memberships. Right here under memberships, if you're paying for YouTube Premium, you should see your membership. Go ahead and click on manage membership. Right here, you're going to see your next billing date. In case you want to deactivate it, simply go ahead and click on deactivate. So of course, YouTube does not want you to cancel your subscription. So they're going to give us the option to simply pause our membership for up to 6 months. Right here, it says that if you want to pause your membership, you can actually resume it at any time. So if you want to pause it, simply click on pause instead. But if you actually want to cancel your subscription, go ahead and click on continue to cancel. I'm not going to click on cancel because I actually love and use my premium subscription so much, and I honestly don't like the YouTube ads, so it is an amazing thing to have. But if you want to cancel it, simply click on cancel instead, and that's it. I hope this video helped you.